The chickens are fun to watch. All the different breeds, all working together. There were about 10 in these 2 dirt spots just a minute ago. Stepping on each other, trying to force the other ones out. There they are. Oh, he's a little bit of rolling in it. Oh. One on the outside. There's actually several on the outside. A couple of the golden ones are over there near the greenhouse. Over here we're getting the addition to our shed for our cooler. And then we have the sounds of the chickens. And the grass. Some are over here eating out of the pan. Hey. Some are in the coop. There's a little gold one over there that was kind of hanging out with me, actually running underneath my arms when I was sitting down. Hi, baby. Hello. Hello. A couple of them over here in the corner. Just their back showing. Hello, little gold. Hello. Come here, check me out. Here's my foot. Hi, baby. Hi there. Very pretty. Very pretty.